The vaccine rollout already lagging far behind expectations with new reports of chaos and confusion. This line here of traffic snaking around the Flagler County Fairgrounds in Florida. This morning, the first vehicles arriving at 5 a.m. And in Houston, with 750 doses to distribute, the call center overwhelmed. 250,000 calls there. Here's ABC's Trevor Ault.
Tonight, Operation Warp Speed hitting major speed bumps. Vaccine doses going unused at risk of expiring as the public is clamoring for shots. The line at Florida's Flagler County Fairgrounds forming at 5 a.m., 5 hours before opening. The same scene playing out in Houston. The health department's registration phone line crashing, offering 750 doses. They got 250,000 phone calls.
We do know that eventually we will need to go to some mega sites, some mass distribution sites.
With the country facing limited supplies, a substantial lack of infrastructure, and an already overworked roster of healthcare workers, nationwide only about 4.2 million Americans have been vaccinated so far, almost 80% short of the Trump administration's goal of 20 million by the new year.
So it's just not working, and there's no state that's got it right.
4 states have still not yet vaccinated 0.5% of their populations, including Ohio, where officials say they're less worried about supply and more concerned about convincing people to take the shots available.
We've had some folks that say basically, they want to wait and see what happens with the vaccine.
In Knox County alone, half the health department and 60% of EMS workers have elected not to get vaccinated right now.
And again, we're not going to make them, but we just, wish that they had a higher compliance.
And it will likely take mass compliance to return to normal life, a fact Colorado Superintendent Scott Siegfried is using to encourage his staff, the school's nurses receiving their first shots Friday.
I won't require that employees get the vaccine, but I said once you have the opportunity, then we're going back to school full-time, all kids, all levels.
And Trevor Ault is joining us from a hospital outside New York City here. And Trevor, I want to go back to that reluctance among Ohio frontline workers to get vaccinated. This is actually a nationwide problem.
It really is, Whit. In fact, multiple hospitals in several states have reported 1 in 5 of their frontline workers have declined the vaccine so far, though experts stress these vaccines have an efficacy above 90%. Adverse effects are extremely rare, and as we're seeing with these hour-long wait times, the demand for these shots is astronomical. Whit.
Trevor, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.